Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing the kangaroo from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. So let's get started. To draw this cute kangaroo, let's first start by drawing his eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then from there, I'm going to come down a little bit and then draw his nose. So I'll come in with the details in that eye later, but I just want to get the nose in right underneath this eye. I'm going to come right here, draw a curve, and then bring in the nose. So I'm rounding off the corners right here and then connecting at the bottom and the center and up. There. Then I'm going to draw the other eye. So using this as my guide, it's at a slight angle, so about right here. So just slight angle, so about right here, I'll draw my other eye. There. So that is the three main shapes that you need to draw. So just start with this, come down and across. So now for some details, let's come right here. I'm just going to give a little highlight and then shade this all in black for the eye. So I really hope this helps you to figure out the face here for the kangaroo. And same thing here. So just another highlight in the same area and then shade it in. And then for the nose, we're just going to give it a little highlight right here at the top. So just an oval. And shade everything else in. From there, I'm going to start to draw a curve around this nose for the snout area. So let's come right here on the corner right here, and I'm just going to start, bring down a curve, and then top right here is going to be another curve. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and round it off and connect. So you're just creating this oval around the nose. There. Something like that. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to where we drew the eye, and I'm going to use this as my guide. The top part, come out just a little bit, not too far apart, and then we're going to basically draw a curve that comes down and tapers into this area. So come down and in. And then I'm going to come to the other side of this eye right here, the top of this eye, come out a little bit further out, so it's a little bit wider, say about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve, same thing like the other side. And I'm going to bring it back to right here. There. So we're just creating this curve around for the face. Then from there we can bring this up. So we're going to go in. And let's see here. So this is our center. So about right here. We'll go high and then curve down. And we're just going to bring it all the way back to here. There. Okay, so then now let's come up here and we're just going to draw like a little brow over the eyes. Just draw a curve. Thicken it up right over the eye, and the same thing here. There. And then the ears, right? So in this area right here where it starts to taper down, we're going to draw an ear. So let's bring this up about right here. Round off the tip and then bring it right back down. And you can draw in some details right here. Just going to come in here, curve, and a curve. So same thing over here. So say about right here. And go ahead. And this is going to curve out this way a little bit more. And we just want about the same level. So say about right here. And bring it down and curve it in. And then once again, some details right here. There. Okay, so the hardest part is done, right? So now we can draw the body. It's a little bit simpler. So let's come to about right here where the snout area is, and we're going to bring out a curve. So this is going to be the side right here, the belly area and the chest. Bring it down. And on this side, we're going to draw the arms. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and I'm going to draw a curve first. And then it's going to bring out an arm. So let's see here. Let's bring this down a little bit more. Say about right there. And I'll stop because I want to connect down to create this little pouch body right here. So you just want to create this big curve around. So I'm bringing this down more. And come out a little bit more. And down. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect. Move a curve at the bottom. And back up. There. Nice round body right here. And then we can come back up here and we can finish the arm right here. So just bring this out. And about right there, go ahead and connect. With a soft curve and in. And then the other arm, of course, right? So right here, we're just going to pop it out, just like the other side. And about the same. About right there. And we can go ahead and connect. There. Okay, so we have the two arms in. Now for the feet. So right underneath right here, we're going to draw the first one. So this is our center. So I'm going to come about right here, draw a curve. And this one is a little bit longer. I'm going to come about right here and connect. They've made this kangaroo foot right here a little bit longer on this side because it's kind of facing that way, right? And then this one is going to be your basic right here, gumdrop shape. Just a nice big curve and connect. So much easier when you don't have to draw feet, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw some details inside. So I'm going to come right here. And I'm going to draw a curve that follows the outside, and I'm just going to start to taper it in. Right there. And then on this side, let's come about right here. So it's just kind of like a curve. Go right here. And I'll bring it down, all the way down to about right here. And then in this area, I'm going to curve it out. There. Okay, so then for, let's see here. Now we're done with that. Now to draw the very important pouch area. So say about right here, I'll just go ahead and draw a curve right across. It makes it so cute, right? And I'm just gonna pop this out a little bit. I'm gonna bring out thicker curve so it looks like a pouch right here. There. Okay, and then that is pretty much it for your basic kangaroo from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. But I felt that it needed a tail, right? Because it's a kangaroo. And at this angle, they don't show a tail, but I'm just going to add it anyway. So this is optional if you want. I'm going to come about right here. And we bring out a tail. And just tuck it in. A kangaroo has to have a tail, right? But they don't show it at this angle, so, but I'm just gonna do it, even if it doesn't make any sense. So there, we got a tail in, and last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here. So now it's my kangaroo, my Draw So Cute kangaroo from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. So they're all done. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.